Welcome to the All Shopify store owner. Today my video topic is to help the all Shopify store owner to prevent themselves from high risk orders and how to manage the high risk order and get prevented from yourself chargeback. So if you receive any order which have high risk or highly risk or risky order on your store, how you can protect yourself from chargeback. First of all, what you have to do, you have to come on your store and click the order which is high risky and showing the high risk. So what you have to do, just click on the order and go to mark and just click on the, I will show you. Basically, the high risk order is the very serious issue. This will also impact on your store rating, store growth, and also impact on your return. Return on investment. Basically you are spending on the ad and you are getting the order with the high return rate, so it's a very big problem for the small businesses. So how you can protect yourself? First of all, what you have to do, you have to come on your order, just click the order, any order you which is high risk, and just click mark and click on hold, and also click on high risk order and mark this is very important. First of all, this is very important. This will help you from chargeback or anything or also if you managing drop shipping business, so it will be protect your money and your time and effort, everything. Second thing is what you have to do, you have to send an email to the customer. Just click here and show you how you can send your an email to your customer. I have already write this email. You have to just send this email to your customer. This email protect you for refund and everything. You will be 100% will be secure, and also clearly mention that you will be fulfill after 14 days. Why you will fulfill after 14 days? Because this order is highly risky, and you can also send the client email for verification process. This is a small video. You can check all the process. This is basically help you about chargeback and chargeback prevention and high risk order management. Thank you very much. And also if you need any type of help you regarding your store, I will be there for your help. Thank you very much. Bye bye.